Hey, welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Philips Hue LightStrip, as well as the extension because I need that extra length for the area I'm going to be using it in. So, this is the box. It's pretty attractive with kind of like some pictures that kind of give you an idea of what you can really accomplish with these lighting effects. Notice that the pictures used, the houses look incredibly nice, like overly nice, as if, you know, the houses themselves are really expensive. So it makes the lights look that much more better than they actually might be in a regular person's home, but whatever. The idea is to take any area and make it look nicer than it already is anyway, so you don't really need a nice fancy home to start with, right? So here's the power adapter that's going to go on the wall, or your power bar maybe. I'm not a fan of how thick it is because if you do attach it to a power bar, it's going to take up a lot of space. Just a little pet peeve that I have with almost every electronic I unbox. That's one of the first things I check. So, but there's nothing fancy about that. We want to look at the light strip itself, right? So out of the box, this is what you get. It looks incredibly basic. I'm just trying to figure out where the heck do you connect it to the power adapter? Where is the... So there's the attachment on the bottom of the power brick. But the fitting doesn't match on the light strip. So that's what I was just kind of trying to figure out. And I'm trying to see this 3M... Yeah, there's like an adhesive type of glue. So you can kind of side wall mount this, if you will. You can put it up your wall. Or behind your desk. I plan to put it behind my desk so it has a back uplighting behind my monitors and whatnot. It should look pretty cool. Okay, so here's the fitting, I guess. This is where the light strip is going to fit into this attachment, and the other part goes into the power adapter, the power brick. So that's what I was kind of curious about. Where the heck is this piece? Okay, so I'll move that out of the way. And of course the good old documentation, which can be incredibly boring or sometimes useful depending on if you need the manual or not. So this looks to be the instruction manual. It kind of gives you an idea like, hey, don't bend it at a certain area where the LED light is if you're going to put it around a corner. Something important to keep in mind. You can cut this down. If it's too long, it tells you you can't cut it and where to cut it because you don't want to cut anything that's important, right? So they actually have indicators on the light strip, it looks like, and how to wall mount some of the wiring, which is kind of cool because it looks like it has some adhesive glue on the back of it too. They didn't have to do that, but it's nice that they did. And of course here's some, looks to be FCC information, so regulatory, I guess, patent stuff and safety information. And that's pretty basic. I mean, I don't know how much safety information you really need to look at. I mean, it's just simple light strip. But that's that. So again, I did get the extension, as I mentioned. So the extension is measuring at 40 inches, which I believe is close to 1 meter in length, which is not bad. Again, you have the same information at the back, like, hey, this is what you can do with this light strip. You can have multiple colors, make your place look nice. You can match it with music, which there is a caveat, but I will explain that in the review video. So the links to the review video will be in the video description. So this looks to be the exact same fitting almost as the original light strip kit. So it just, I guess, attaches at the very end and it just kind of extends it by an extra 40 inches. So pretty basic. And the manual looks very similar at first glance. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, it's identical. So they're probably just putting the same manual in every single one. I mean, it just makes sense. Why have a team make another manual when it's not necessary, right? Same information that can be applied. So it looks to be the same safety information, same FCC information. That's pretty much it. So again, the review video link will be in the video description. That's an unboxing of the light strip. Be sure to hit that like button, it does help. Check out my social links in the video description. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.